if you're using OpenClaw without an app that like assists you from the outside, you are literally making a mistake. Let me show you an example app for mobile. It's called Claw Launcher. It also works on Mac, Windows, VPS, Linux. It works on everything basically. The reason why I recommend it is because it tells you that OpenClaw is on. The problem with OpenClaw, it runs literally when you start your system. Even if you restart your computer, your Mac, it will still be running. It's like an amazing thing. It runs as a service. So let's say I wanted to update OpenClaw, so I'll just do that right here. It kind of like gives you like a toolkit so that you can then kind of like have everything in one place. For example, you could do onboarding again by clicking on setup. You could see the status by clicking here. You can stop OpenClaw, which is something that you, if you're not so technical, it's not so simple. Also, if you're like, even if you're into automation and you're into the command prompt, why wouldn't you want to press stop and then stop OpenClaw? Do you know what I mean? Like, why wouldn't you want to have like an easy workflow if you're using such an automation tool? Why wouldn't you want things to be simple? Do you know what I mean? If something goes wrong, you see at the bottom here, there's a fix button. And then there's a toolkit. Like, for example, you have here skills store, skills manager, create backup and restore points. These things are critical for people who are non-technical. If your OpenClaw breaks and you're alone and you have no idea how to go backwards, then this is perfect for you. This is going to give you an opportunity to use OpenClaw, but at the same time, when things go wrong with it, there's something you can do about it. I think that's incredible, and I think that people who are using OpenClaw to automate their entire lives, I think that's fantastic, and it's literally like posting blog posts for people, it's doing work for people, and it's a shame that when it breaks, let's say you ask for something, because the thing is, OpenClaw can change its own code. It can literally modify its own brain, its own memory, its own config file even. It can even change settings for itself. The good thing about that is that it's great for beginners, and the bad thing about that is that it's bad for beginners, because in the good way, it can actually it can like do good things, but sometimes it breaks JSON code, critical JSON code that causes it to then die, and then you can literally not run OpenClaw. That's why an assistant app like Claw Launcher, the one you're seeing on your screen right now, will help you both on Android, or if you're using it on a Mac or a VPS, whatever it is, it will help you stay up and running, not just get up and running. So this is the Android version. I love this one. I use this one when I'm sitting on the freaking bathroom, and it's fantastic because it's, instead of buying an expensive Mac Mini, you can just use this, and then you have it on your phone whenever you want. So as you can see, it's currently initializing. It takes about a minute to actually load, but while that's working, let's look at what you can do. You have a skills store, skills manager. You can snapshot your config file. You can do different things with this one. Let's just go a second to Claw Launcher, a website. Now, the great thing about this is that you'll see at the top, it says what it works on. It works on Mac, PC, and VPS, Android, and Linux. And what I wanted to show you, one of the most important things I wanted to show you in the Mac and PC version is the screenshots. Where are they? I just want to show you the screenshots, because what they can show you here they are. Basically, the stop OpenClaw button, that's actually so powerful. Even just this for beginners, or even for people using the command prompt, even just this would be enough to like get me over the edge, to pay the extra money, to have the ability to just stop OpenClaw when I don't want it to run. Like, this thing will run forever if you just leave it. So you sometimes want to stop it from running. So if you need it for just like one thing, like let's say you want to fix your kid's Minecraft server and you want OpenClaw to do that, you'll click start OpenClaw, let it fix Minecraft for your kids, and then you go to stop. So this is great for divorced women or single mamas who don't know how to program. They need to fix your kid's computer, your internet's too slow. Install OpenClaw by clicking update or install, then start, and then stop OpenClaw. Fantastic. So I think that's a weird use case that I just mentioned, but I think it's worth mentioning.